Hey guys, my name is Afzal, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to deepen your voice in Adobe Premiere Pro. First thing you're going to need is an audio recording on your timeline. Second, go to the effects, search for pitch shifter effect, drag and drop it onto the audio recording. Go to the effects control panel, click on the effect, press edit. I'm going to drop down the level on semitones to 4. And I'm going to make sure that high precision is checked off and use appropriate default settings. All you have to do now is to close this window, and here is after the effect.
Hey guys, my name is Afzal. Today I want to show you how to dramatically speed up the video exports in Adobe Premiere Pro.
This is the recording without any effects. Hey guys, my name is Afzal. Today I want to show you how to dramatically speed up the video exports in Adobe Premiere Pro. Play around with the settings until you've reached your desired outcome. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.